this is Jonathan, and today I'll be showing you guys how to install HelloSystem. So HelloSystem is based off Freebsd that is supposed to be very similar to macOS from the way it works, from the way it looks, and from the way we can interact with the system. It will be a lot like macOS. So as you guys can see, this is the screenshot of the operating system. It looks very similar to macOS. Okay, let's go ahead and install the operating system. So to install it, all you need to do is click on the specs button, and then you should see this getting started web page. So from here, you'll be able to download the latest HelloSystem release, or alternatively, you guys can install for experimental and pre-release, which basically means they're still working on this release. But for the most stable version, I would recommend to download this release instead of using the experimental one, because that one is still being worked on. So to have a stable one, just select this one, and it should take you to this GitHub page. All we need to do now is scroll the way down till you'll see hello.8.1 0h 324 FreeBSD 13.1 AMD 64.iso. Now go ahead and click it, and it should start downloading this ISO image. Go ahead and close out of it. Okay, now I'm going to go ahead and open up to GNOME boxes. I would have created a virtual machine for it. So all I need to do now is just select Hello OS, and it should start booting up to the system. I don't think this will take too long for it to boot up. I gave it like around 50 gigabytes of storage with like 40 gigabytes of RAM, basically. Like 4 gigabytes of RAM and 50 gigabytes of storage. So I shouldn't have any problems with using this operating system. Use English for the main language. Let's go ahead and select English for the main language, shall we? Okay, cool. It looks like we're able to boot up. So all we need to do now is select the install HelloSystem icon over here. Just double click on it, and now read the instructions. So it says here, to begin with installation, click continue. HelloSystem is based on FreeBSD, an operating system of a variety of platforms which focus on features, speed, and stability, delivered from BSD, a version of Unix developed at the University of California, Berkeley, and FreeBSD is developed and maintained by a large community. Now select continue. You guys can read through this license term if we truly wanted to, but I'm not going to read it. Continue. Okay, now we have to select which drive we want to install it to. So I'm going to install it to this one. There's an arrow. There is a warning. This will erase all contents of this drive and install a FreeBSD operating system on it. Continue. Okay, I like this warning. It warns you before we'll actually be able to install or format this drive. Let's select yes. Now let's go ahead, select continue. Now guys will be able to put down your account details. So asking for my full name. Let's enter my full name, which is Jonathan Stedman. That is indeed my full name. J Stedman, that's totally fine. Let me just type down a new password for it. A very simple one. Computer name. So let me go ahead and just change the computer name to HelloSystem OS. Enable users to log in over the network. Set time zone based on current location. Let's select this one. This will send a request to ipapi.com. One time to locate a computer for the network. Continue. Yes. Amazing. Let's select continue. And now it should start installing the operating system to my computer. So I'm going to go back once this is done. Okay, so it looks like the installation is now completed. Well guys, we'll be able to restart by click on this restart button over there, or guys can go and click on to cancel, and I think it just takes you back to the desktop. So you don't have to restart, you can just play around with this system, as you guys can see, just to see how things work. But what I'm going to do right now, I'm going to press onto Control Alt. I'm going to go ahead and force shut down the system. Now I'm going to go to Previces, and then from Previces there we're going to be an ISO image. I just want to remove it. I'm going to go ahead and reboot up to HelloSystem. Okay, it looks like it was able to be installed. It's spinning right now. Go ahead and choose English for the main language. Welcome. How do I skip this? Do I just... Okay. It appears that this system is running inside a virtual machine. This system has been optimized to our desktop system or hardware. Please consider running it over your hardware. A live ISO is provided that can be written to a removable USB storage device to act as a boot medium. Okay. It appears that this virtual machine is not running in EFI mode. Some features such as persisting keyboard and language settings will not be available. Please consider confirming this virtual machine to run in EFI mode. Okay, hello, welcome to your computer. Make simple again. Click on to continue to proceed. A system that works for, not against you. Okay, continue. We are in command. The command key is the left of the keypad spacebar on your keyboard. Use it to access shortcuts like copy and paste. That's it. Have fun exploring the operating system. Keep in mind that this is a pre-release version intended mainly for developers and testers. We would love to hear from you. Continue. Okay, that is great. So now we guys should be able to go to bookmarks, applications, and we guys should just play around with some applications they have. So it looks like they have like 3D printing as well. You guys can do FreeCAD stuff. They also have developer stuff. So this is like programming and developing games and stuff for that, which there's nothing really in it. I don't know why, but yeah. They also have graphics, which includes stuff like Blender, Criteria. They also got GIMP, Inkscape. They also got Scribbers. So you guys can go ahead and open up Blender. It needs to be downloaded before it can be used. Do you want to download it now? Okay, so some of these applications not even pre-installed. So guys may need to press on to yes, and that should allow it to install it. We trust that we received an unusual lecture from the local system administrator. It usually boils down to those three things. Respect privacy of others. Think before type. With great power comes great responsibility. For security reasons, the password or type will not be visible. Good, because I'm making a video. Okay, let me just type down password. It's on enter key, and hopefully that does start installing Blender. I think anyway. We're going to be able to install this this operating system for the very first time. If you guys like this video, please put a like and please subscribe, and I will see you guys next time. Bye bye.